All right, what's going on, y'all? We're back for another day of backtesting. We had a great session yesterday, and just continuing on with the same that same momentum here. So overall, the data is looking very good. We're almost at the end. We're in September of 2025. I'm kind of just gonna let this run out until we get to probably just one more month. Probably trade till the beginning of February, or sorry, a couple more months, like 4 more months. So should be good over the next couple days to finish that up, and then we'll go into another session, right? I want to backtest earlier data, so meaning I want to go back to do like maybe 2022 through 2024, and then go back and do 2020 through 2022, and etc. Right? So that's kind of what my thought process is right now. But let's just go ahead and get right into it. God, my chair is so squeaky. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that. All right, let's go to the next New York session. Daily time frame. I like this. Delivering out of this new week opening gap. We look like we're trending higher. Relative equal highs on the daily time frame. So I'd like to take longs here out of this. But eventually we will come lower, take out this swing low. Once I start to see like an hourly inversion, right? Like we start to maybe come down to here at some point, then I'll look to take shorts here. But right now, long seems pretty textbook. We should just kind of flush up. I don't really see anything getting in our way here. We do have all these stacked highs, relative equal highs over here on the 15-minute. A couple different draws on liquidity here that I would like to look for, but ultimately, I just want to see longs. 15-minute is dumping right now. We'll see if we can get a retracement. Well, 1 hour is dumping as well. Are we SMT'd anywhere? We are SMT'd with these highs, so we could get a retracement here. We are in discount for this hourly range. 4 hour though, we're not in discount. Right, like, so just maybe like this 4 hour order block. Something like this maybe. I could see happening, shorts down to this area, but I do want to take longs just because the higher time frame buys here, but we will see what the market gives us. Might be able to take continuation shorts here, so what does price do off open? We manipulate lower, we sweep out this low, we aren't delivering from anything. Yes, hasn't taken out this low, not delivering from a 5-minute. I'm not very convicted in longs here out of this area. I'd want to see us lower into a key level. This inverse here is pretty textbook on the 1-minute chart, but break even point already got taken. We're inside of a 15-minute. I don't like that. Well, looks like we want to go higher. I should have seen we are delivering from this 1 hour gap. So the 1 hour candle did flip bullish. That would have been a solid trade that I just missed out on. This 1-minute inversion would have been solid. Nice 30-second out of this. I will take this 30-second. Right, I think the draw is still higher. Good break even point here. 25-point stop. Let's go for a 50-point take profit. Right, and at this point, if we do want to continue bullish, I'd like to see us just kind of flush to this high inside this 15-minute fair value gap. So break even. Alright, well, let's just take my break even here. Break evens. So not my textbook setup, right? I usually am waiting for a 5-minute retracement, but I did like that 3-minute. I think the draw on liquidity was still there. Alright, 5-minute retracement. My candles are messed up here. I'm not too sure what this is. My candles are messed up. So I don't really want to take this long. Alright, bro. Let me go back, cause okay, and now my candles are right. Okay. 30-second didn't close. Alright, trending higher. Right, 1-minute inversion here. Delivery off the higher time frame 5-minute. We still have this wick. Could try to take this for 1 to 2. What is going on? Alright, break even. Break even again. So this was our original target. Stops below this candle would have played out. But I think it was smart to probably have our stops down here. Stopped at this low, this high inside this 15-minute now. We could get a little bit of a rejection out of this. One minute took out our break-even point though, so not looking to take anything out of this. Did get the good 1 minute. This does look good. I will try this. This high does become, oh, this high is protected now though. Yeah, I don't really want to try it, but we'll see if it plays out. Right, would have played out to that point. That high was protected, so we could have just taken something like this just for 1 to 1. If I would have put my stops right here, gone for like a 1.5 up to this high. I like that, so. Let's go to the next day. Failed to take out these highs. Look like we're still trending. Want to go bullish. Still delivering off of this 4-hour. Maybe we come a little bit lower and tap into EQ the range. But I do think, yeah, we also have 4-hour equal highs. I'd like to take longs out of this, so. Let's see what price gives us on open. Alright, we move down off open. Maybe want to come out for this prominent low. Bang, that's exactly what happens, right? And delivering out of this low. What are we delivering from an hourly fair value gap, as well as a 4-hour? When we sweep out a low inside of a 4-hour, this low becomes very protected. It's our highest time frame in the leg. 5-minute. Do have a nice 30-second break-even point was taken though. Are we SMT'd? We are SMT'd. Yeah, I just need a little bit more confirmation here. 30-second long. Feel like we're gonna come all the way back up here. Just take a break even at this point here. Just go for a 1 to 2. Bang. Take a break even. Oh man, base hit would have been great. There was no liquidity to target. I mean, we're inside of a 5-minute. Oh, I should have just taken a base hit here. I should have taken a base hit. That's unfortunate. I still think we'll probably come up higher. Resweep. V-shaped recovery. 3 minutes, the highest time frame. Beautiful 1 minute though. We get a resweep of these lows. I'll let the 3-minute close. I will take this off the 3-minute. Back up to these 9:30 a.m. highs. Stops below this point. Let's just go for a base hit here. That is so brutal. My break-even point. Wow. That is so brutal. I'm just getting break-evened everywhere. Wow. It's very, very unfortunate. I mean, it's just like, stop. I'm just going for a 1-to-1 here. It was just break even. We just wanted to come sleep out this high inside this 5-minute. So, not much you can say about it. So, it's unfortunate. Break even upon break even. Still haven't come up for this high. Look like we're trending lower. If this 4-hour gets inverse, we'll probably push up higher. We did just get an hourly inversion. I want to see us manipulate, sweep out this high, and we can look to take longs from here. Okay, never mind. That was the trade idea, but that's just not how the cookie crumbled today. I do like this 1 minute though. Delivering out of the 5 minute. We are inside an hourly fair value gap. But we still have this high inside of this 15 minutes come target. As well as this swing high up here. That is it's not ideal. It's not ideal at all, to be honest. We're just being inside that hourly gap is probably what we're rejecting out of here. It's exactly what we are rejecting out of. Well, we get a resweep on this low. Still rejecting out of the 15 minute. Like, I still do like longs out of this. We do get the 1 minute. Let's just take this for a 1-to-1. Do we open up the 5? We delivered off a 5. How would we break even here? Bang. Another 1 minute. It's the upside. Great trade right there. God, my chart looks terrible. Alright, delivering higher, all-time highs. I just want to see a long here. Inside of a 5 minute though, I don't want this 5 minute to necessarily inverse, but we'll see. Probably just going to be bearish today. I don't really want to short from all-time highs, so nothing I really like here. I could take something like this. This inversion's solid. We're delivering out of any key levels. 15 minute. What do we have lower? 1 hour. Not too many targets lower. We already swept out this low inside this 1 hour. Pretty textbook short here though. Yeah. I mean, we're just delivering out of a 1 hour. That's not ideal. I don't know why I took that. I was just so focused on the inversion. Like, the inversion's not the only thing that matters, right? This is our entry model, but if our other confluences don't align, we're not gonna get taken to where we want to go. I'm done with that today. Just too much displacement to the downside early on. So again, I don't want to take shorts. I want to take longs from all-time highs. Delivering out of this 15 minute. Delivering out of this hourly. I just want to see a long setup. I would take this if I saw it close though. Oh, the 2 minute did though. Or do we have any higher time frame delivery? I mean, we're still delivering out of that 15-minute failure swing to the upside. 932, 940 wick. Just kind of chopping around. I mean, it does look like we still want to go higher. We just are inside of an hourly. So, like, I don't really like to take these when we're inside of an hourly. I will take this, though. Just because we did get that sweep liquidity. Break even. Break even at this candle. Right there. It's unfortunate. We're just kind of getting all these draws wrong, but this is just not great price action. What are we in, October? Nothing about this is very fantastic. I mean, yeah, the draw was just shorts for the day, right? We're delivering out of this 1 hour fair value gap. Looks like this low, this prominent 15-minute low is a good draw. Not much that would have made me take that long. Yeah, it's late in the day. There's nothing here I want to take. Again, all-time highs, delivering out of the daily fair value gap. We just got a 15-minute inverse, I think, right? Yeah, we did. We got a 15-minute inverse to the upside. Let's see if we can manipulate lower and then give us some sort of long. Highest time frame is going to be this 3-minute. Delivering out of this 15. Bro, wow, we wanted to go lower. Even after this 15-minute inverse, it just seems kind of crazy to want to push lower, this much lower. I mean, we did have this hourly. I would like to see price deliver off of this. This is a pretty good level here. Yeah, I'll take this. We are inside of a 3-minute. Yeah, I'll take this. I do see this playing out. Bro, my stop loss placement, I knew that that was going to become a problem. If we flush from here. Man, we just got caught up in the chop. What is this price action? Interesting price action. I mean, wow, we are just chopping right now. I almost don't want to take anything this whole month. This month has been terrible so far. Like, we're just still delivering higher. Again, I want to take I want to take longs. I mean, it's crazy, but like, what are we doing? Might have been a good 30-second in here. Yeah, this 30-second looks good. Exactly what I wanted to see there. Just delivery from the higher time frame. We're inside of a 5 minute now. We just swept out this high. Inside of this 15. No, sorry, inside of this 5. Could reject from here. If I see inverse of all this. Well, even this inverse I like. Swept out this high. Our stop's protected. Just really bad price action, if I'm being honest. And this 2 minute didn't close, respected. Bang. Yeah, I'll take this. Just for another base hit. Slow already did get taken by yes, but I feel like we're still going to trend down. Yeah, perfect. Nice little 1 minute inversion there. Swept out this buy side. Gave us a good close. You could have taken it on this close. I just wanted that 2 minute was bugging me, and I also wanted to see this all get inversed as well. So slightly rejecting from all-time highs. Could want to come get a sweep of this low. 4 hours disrespecting. I'd like to be bearish here. Get a sweep higher off open. Perhaps come tap into this 15 minute. And then yeah, like all these lows. I want to see all these lows get ran at some point. I like it. I will take this short. Right, we're also SMT'd. And 930 lows down here. Probably narrow my stop to, or widen my stop to 25. Yeah, I like this. Hopefully we don't come for a resweep, but who knows. Do just want to see us reject from this area. I didn't want to see that get inverse. That is so tough, bro. I mean, I just like just wanted to see us flush from there. I didn't want to see us come resweep out this high. That is unfortunate. Still think the draw is lower, but price says otherwise. What was the tell that we wanted to go bullish? Like, I just don't see it. Or do we inverse all these gaps? Technically, we are delivering out of an hourly, but on the 4 hour, we inverse this 4 hour fair value gap. I guess we are delivering from this area. I don't know. All-time highs. Again, I'm just not really loving this price action. Nothing. Okay, I like this 1 minute. Would have been break even. I didn't like this short. Not great price action. I mean, I don't want to blame the price action, but like this price action is pretty awful. I'm bullish for sure. All this LR. Maybe we come sweep out this low though. These are prominent lows. Just no higher time frame delivery in any way. 5 minutes still holding. That's not at all what I wanted to see. But can't be upset. We're pumping. Left this high. We're going to want to come back for it. Inverse that 5-minute. Resweep. Delivery into the 5-minute as well as a 15. I'd like to see a long position out of this. Resweep of this low inside this 15-minute. 15-minute still holds. Highest time frame in this leg is now 4-minute. Not too interested in taking longs from this point. Like, just being that we do have higher time frame gaps. But again, if I see this 1 minute get taken, I will take this. Just incredibly late in the day. Wow, this 1 minute gap just held price. And then we got, what news kicked in at this point? Bro, what in the world just happened? This was all New York price action right here. And New York lunch kicks in. And we drop 300 points. I don't even know what's going on in these markets right now. This price action seems bizarre to me. Well, we delivered lower. Delivering out of a weekly. Higher time frame looks bullish. Do have a new week opening gap though. But higher time frame does look very bullish. Could leave this new week opening gap behind. Perhaps. Kind of just have to see what type of structure price gives us here. But I wouldn't be against taking shorts. Looks like we want to come towards this new week opening gap. Five. If I see this get closed, I'll take it. Alright, well, 5-minute inverse. Swept out this high. Delivering out of this hourly still. 5-minute inverse. That would have been a good trade. Bang, and now you get the close. Something like this should play out. I don't really see price needing to retrace. Tape read this. Alright, well, never mind. Dude, these are tough markets right now. This October market. I mean, this is very, very tough. Delivering out of this daily. New week open gap still hasn't gotten filled, so I'm kind of looking for this to get filled. Yeah, kind of just looking for the new week opening gap to get filled here. Give me an entry. Am I really not going to get an entry? Bro, I'm really not going to get an entry. I could have taken this long. This long position was actually pretty great. Oh, that's so tough. I'm just too not in the right headspace right now. Probably gonna make this the last one. This high inside this daily, I'd like to see come get filled. Um, yeah, that's kind of all I'm seeing here is this high to come get filled. I mean, we're right at it, but see if we get a move lower. I like that. Sweep out this low inside this 15-minute. Like to see us deliver from this hourly. 1 minute close. $9.30 high. I like this, delivering back out of this hourly. We're still so close to this high. Oh my god, I'm getting absolutely shit on right now. I mean, I should have understood that ES already swept out that high. So we were SMT'd. I will take this re-entry though. ES already did sweep out our high as well. That's probably what we're delivering off of. Oh my. Alright. I'm getting destroyed right now. Nothing I like here. I mean, ES already took everything out. That's just unfortunate, bro. Data low. Still inside of this daily. See if we want to come sweep out this data low. It's already been swept. And my break-even point gets taken. Like, I think we're gonna swing this data, but like, it's just the trade's already invalid just because my break-even point got taken. And we didn't even, bro. These markets are like, what is going on? To be honest with you, these markets are insane. We did just sweep out this high. 15-minute close, 2-minute close. I mean, I will take this. Just a crazy, crazy stop here. All this LR needs to come get swept. I like this 15-minute low getting taken at some point. But for now, target this unfilled hourly gap. Already slipped out. I mean, this would already be break even. This is just sleep out data low. Just terrible market structure. I mean, this is what our New York session's looking like right now. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. I mean, this price action is just terrible. Whatever October price action was, oh my goodness, it was bad. That was not. That was not what I like to see right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day there. I'll be back tomorrow for more for my live trade recap, market review. But that's gonna do it for me today. I'll see you.